is mind pollution, psychological pollution, and emotional pollution? Then how to prevent this?
Karthikeyanji, you have to answer.
The mind of minds, our thought. Your good thoughts, if we allow negative thoughts to come, then it pollutes the mind, it pollutes the psychic. It's a cause for all pollution. Good thoughts. Yes, we will get good and bad thoughts. I agree, naturally, we can't say the thoughts which come. I won't say that always good thoughts come to start with. All types of thoughts will come depending upon where you are, what's your association, what type of books you read, magazines you read, films you see, what you see in the television, and your own association. So then, all types of thoughts come and bombard us all the time. They say 50 to 60,000 thoughts, they say. It's natural for anybody. But then over a period of time, you should train your mind to think of only the good thoughts. That is how to avoid negative thoughts coming in the way. That is, every thought that comes and goes, allow it. Don't bother. Just it will come and go. But if some thoughts become dominant in you, to my understanding, you watch the thought. You become an observer of the thought and find out if the thought is going to give me happiness, joy, pleasure for the time being. Is it going to give me pleasure in the long run?
Okay.
For my health? And if it is going to harm others. If the thought is going to give me pleasure now and also in the long run, and it is not going to cause any damage to others or nature, then we allow those thoughts to come in. It takes a long time. But after some time, the mind gets habituated to entertain only good thoughts. If we don't do that, negative thoughts also come because of association. If you don't watch carefully, allow the negative thoughts because it's going to give me a joy now, but it's going to damage my mind or health or reputation in the long run, or it's going to damage my association with others, or if it's going to damage my environment and other forms of life, then we should reject those thoughts. If you allow them to come back, your mind is polluted. Everything is polluted. It's ultimately a thought.
They are your friends or your relatives. You must stop interacting with those relatives and those friends. Sajjan Sangatya beku.
Yes, sir.
Beke beku.
Yes, sir. Beke beku.
Durjana Sangatya will give you pollution. Sajjan Sangatya will remove the pollution. Sajjana Sangati Reka Bhavati Bhava Navatarane Nauka. Adi Shankaracharya. In all the three words, it is a Sajjan Sangatya which will cross you, which will give you a boat to cross the ocean of dukkha, which is caused by the pollution by your relatives and your friends. See, your relatives, your friends cause pollution to you.
Yes, sir.
You must stay away from them.
Yes.
And go near pyramid masters.
Yes, sir.
Who are all sajjanas.
Yes, sir.
Anyhow, tumba ధన్యవాదాలు బాబా.
నమస్తే సార్. కొంతమంది మాస్టర్స్ కర్మ సిద్ధాంతం ఉంది అంటున్నారు. సేట్ మాస్టర్ కర్మ అనేది లేదు అంటున్నారు. మరి ఏది కరెక్ట్?
Both are correct. That is the paradox in spirituality. In spirituality, is full of paradoxes. That's why nobody is able to understand spirituality. You can help others, you cannot help others. Death is there, death is not there. You are a god, you are not a god. See, these are all paradoxes. You have to understand both sides of the coin. A coin has got two sides. Every side is the same as the other side. It has the same value. So, there is law of karma, then there is no law of karma, there is only law of choice. You choose what you want to do. So, there is no karma. But there is karma also when you don't know how to choose, or you don't know the choice exists, then you have karma. So both these things both have to be understood.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Sir, here one more question from Satya Rajashekar from Bangalore.
Okay.
PMC and PSD, that is Pyramid Sevadal, PSD, are two main wings of PSSM. Sir, we seek your message and vision about the Pyramid Sevadal.
Okay. See, in our army, we got the front line who are actually doing the fighting. And there are all support systems for the army, for the frontliners. The frontliners at the border, they get killed or they have to kill. So, but the support system is there for the whole frontline army. So PSD is the frontline army. They go everywhere to do the seva. What do you mean by seva? You are contacting a new person and telling him about the information. Every member of PSSM is Pyramid Sevadal, that way. But the leaders, the main spirits, they are all in the Pyramid Sevadal. The senior masters who go out, who make a battle into the new area, where there was no meditation, where there is no vegetarianism. We go to such places and establish a new paradigm for them. So, Pyramid Sevadal is that kind of army, frontline army for us. And PMC is our channel to give the news about PSSM to everybody. That is PMC. Now at the lockdown, it's the PMC that is working. We did create a very wonderful thing called as PMC about 2 years back. We foresaw all the situations of lockdown. And we created this. Every other spiritual organization has a TV channel. So we also have a TV channel. And Pyramid Sevadal are the frontline workers. They fight. And they are supported by the all other masters.
So here from Bangalore, Saroja madam has sent one question here. So whenever she used to sit for meditation with music, that is yours music only. So she is having experience of rotating her stomach. So after that, she has went to hospital also and checked out. Doctor's opinion is, so we never saw this type of case, so we don't know like that. So she wanted to know about this.
See, when you are in meditation, the body does something new to heal itself. It may roll on the ground like a snake. It may dance. It may assume yoga postures. So many things will happen, depending upon the uniqueness of the person, uniqueness of the body.
Okay.
But whatever happens in meditation is good. So have faith. That is the general prescription for all the things that happen in meditation is do more meditation.
Yes.
Thank you, madam.
So thank you, Swamiji. Thank you.
Don't be obsessed by your experience. Be happy for your experience. Something good is happening for the body. It is happening by the body, for the body, of the body. The body is very intelligent. Body is a separate organism which you are occupying. Body has got native intelligence to heal itself. You trust the body. And meditation is giving a lot of energy to the body. So it is progressing fast in healing. It will act in unexpected ways. Let it act. Give the freedom to the body. You are not the body. You are not the owner of the body. You are a tenant in the body. First of all, you are not body. Secondly, you are not owners of the body. Thirdly, you have not created the body. Body is the creation of the nature. It has got its own intelligence. It's an independent creature by itself. Then you have to assist it through by giving it meditation energy. Then it will assist you. Otherwise, it will kick you out of the body. Body will kick you out of the body. If you are not good to her, you must be good to the body. If you put meat into the body, alcohol into the body will kick you. You must be good to the body, and the body will be good to you. Symbiosis. Mutual help. Mutual dependence. The body depends upon you, and you depend upon the body. It's like husband and wife team. Husband has to have a wife has to have a husband. Both are fulfilled. The body and the soul are like that. So give respect and take respect. Give help and take help. ತುಂಬಾ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.